Next topic beta, the ways to bring a change. So from previous activities we have discussed, it is concluded that changes can be caused by mixing of any one substance in other substance, or by heating a substance, by applying a force. What is force? Force is a push or pull acting on a body. Next is by mixing and heating collectively we can bring a change in body or substance. Next beta, few related terms to our topic we will discuss here. When we mix a solid in a liquid and to form a solution, so this process is called dissolution. Okay, and what is that solution? Solution, that liquid containing that solid substance is called solution. Next beta, different type of substances are here. Few are highly soluble, few are partially soluble, few are insoluble. So on the basis of solubility we have described these substances in three categories. First is highly soluble, the substance which dissolve in water easily, that are highly soluble. Second is partially soluble, means which dissolve in only small quantity. And insoluble, which do not dissolve in liquid. So about these topics we will do in our topics in detail. Change caused by mixing or stirring. So mixing of two or more things together can also lead to a changes. For example, when sugar is mixed into water, after some time sugar disappear in water, but the taste of water becomes sweeter. So no solid crystal of sugar are seen there. This change is called dissolution. The water containing that dissolved sugar is called solution. The solution give properties of substance dissolved in it. This activity you can easily see at your home. You can take a water in a beaker or in a that glass, okay, and mix some sugar in water. After some time of stirring you will get it a mixed solution of sugar and water. You will not able to see a sugar in it. Okay, next thing what we observe there, the substance which dissolve in water easily, that are called highly soluble, and the substance which dissolve in water to reasonable extent, but beta reasonable extent, that is called soluble substance. And the substance which dissolve only small quantity, that are called partially or sparingly soluble in water. And the substance which do not dissolve in water, that are called insoluble in water. Next thing is the changes caused by force or pressure. Push or pull. What is force? Push or pull that act on a body which tends to change its state of rest or motion is called force. So to denote a force we use a letter F. Okay. Next thing, the force can change the shape or size of an object or a substance. Different examples are here. One with the help of picture you can see here. The size of balloon changes on pressing. The size of that toothpaste, the shape of toothpaste is also changed when you squeeze it. Okay, and when you press a piece of sponge by applying force, once their shape is changed. Okay, next is the change caused by heating. Heat is a form of energy. Whether any object or substance is heated, it get affected in one or more other way. For example, few examples we will discuss here. Certain things simply get hot on heating, like certain object or substance simply get hot on heating and do not change in any other way. Like when you use a pressure cooker for cooking, the cooker just heat up, but its shape remain unchanged. Okay, same way when you pour a hot tea in a cup get hot, but its shape or size does not change. Okay, next thing, a certain thing begins to burn on heating, like certain things when heated it get hot, and if heating is continue it start burning. Certain things burn faster than others. For example, if we take a dry grass or paper, that burn faster than a piece of wood. So wood and coal need much longer heating before they start burning. Here with the help of activity you can easily see certain things burn on heating. You take a dry grass and you can take a match box and collect that dry grass and burn with it with that grass with the help of matchstick. And what do you observe there? During that burning, light and heat are produced. Can you obtain that dry grass back? The answer is no, or you can't. So means burning of paper or grass is an irreversible change.